Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine, you are safe, and I expect that you are utilizing this time for your studies and other businesses very well. And I also recommend you that don't waste it this time, precious time, leisurely, as you know that you have got a lot of time, but try to avoid this time to spend it leisurely in entertainment, etc. That is to some extent entertainment is necessary, but not at the some there is there is some limit point for everything. So better to you explore different steps on the internet, so that it will help you to learn new things, to develop yourself. And after 2 to 3 months, if you consistently follow these things, taking necessary information, getting necessary information from internet, and you will see that a different version of yourself in next 2 to 3 months. So it is best time to spend upon ourselves to learn new things. Anyway, in today's video lecture we will do rule number second. In the previous video lecture we did rule number one, that was AAA. Actually, we will do a short result from the AA result. From the AA result, if only two angles of a triangle are equal, then if two angles of one triangle are equal to corresponding angles of another triangle, then by this concept, this is a corollary result, a short result of AAA. We can also say that these triangles are congruent. How? Because if in a two triangles, two corresponding angles are equal, then their third angles must be also equal. I will show it here. For example, we have two triangles ABC and PQR. Suppose we have two triangles ABC and PQR. Suppose angle A equals angle P, angle B equals angle Q. Only two angles are equal. Now by the angle sum property that automatically this angle will be equals this angle. Their third angle will be also equal. Suppose say this is 50, I will give you example, and this is 60, suppose. So 50 plus 60 is 110, so this will be 70. Automatically this is 50, this is 60, this is how much? 70. So we can conclude that if only two angles of one triangle are equal to corresponding angles of another triangle, then the triangles are also similar, and this result is known as AA corollary result. Corollary means short result, or sometimes we can also say that AA similarity. So remember this also. From AAA we can deduce that from if only two angles are equal, true angles of one triangle are equal to corresponding angles of another triangle, then triangles are similar. And this property, and the reason being that if in a two triangles, two angles are equal, and then two angles of one triangle are equal to corresponding angles of another triangle, then their third angle is also equal. So AA becomes AA similarity. So in order to prove the similarity, you can also say that by AA similarity, just find two angles. If they are equal, corresponding angles are equal to each other, then triangles are similar. So we will write AAA corollary result. Corollary means short result. So only I hope you will remember it. Just it was just a give the idea about it. So in questions we need not to use the third angle, find the third angle, we should be equal to corresponding third angle of another triangle. We can also conclude that if we get two angles equal to corresponding two angles of one triangle equal to corresponding angles of another triangle, then we can immediately say that triangles are similar. So we discussed it. I told you what is the reason, that third angle, because if two angles are equal, then their corresponding third angle is also equal. This result is known as AA corollary. Now another actually which is important result, it is SSS similarity. What is SSS similarity? So in case of congruence, SSS congruence, look the difference. SSS congruence. In that case, if we have two triangles, suppose ABC and PQR, these are two triangles, and if by the SSS, what is that? If the corresponding sides of one triangle is equal to if the sides of one triangle is equal to the corresponding sides of another triangle, that is if AB equals PQ, BC equals QR, and AC equals PR. So by the SSS rule, this triangle ABC is congruent triangle to PQ. Or again, I repeat the concept that what happens when the two triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are equal. So sides are already equal, so corresponding angles will be also equal. Angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C equals angle R. So let's come to here. In case of SSS similarity, what is it? It is not here the equality, it is the if the sides of one triangle is proportional to the corresponding sides of another triangle. Proportional means they are in the same ratio, then triangles are similar. So we will write if in two triangles sides of one triangle or proportional. What was in case of congruence, what is the relation, what is the criteria, what is the statement? That if in two triangles sides of one triangle are equal. Here in case of similarity, what is it? Is proportional. Proportional means they are in the same ratio. If in two triangles sides of one triangles are proportional to corresponding sides of another triangle, then triangles are similar. So let us explain it with the help of example. Suppose we have a triangle ABC and PQR. These are two triangles. If AB by PQ equals BC by QR equals AC by PR, then according to this SSS statement, we will write triangle ABC is similar triangle to PQR. Triangle ABC is similar triangle to PQR. What happens to the corresponding angles? So sides are, in case of AAA similarity, angles were equal, corresponding sides are proportional. Now here what we have given, corresponding sides are proportional, then their corresponding angles are equal. It means that it implies that angle A equals angle P, angle B equals angle Q, angle C equals angle R. So I hope you will get the difference between similarity and the congruence. In case of the congruence, corresponding parts are equal. That is, corresponding sides are equal, corresponding angles are equal. But in case of similarity, corresponding angles are equal, that is common to both, but corresponding sides are proportional. So whenever you are asked that two triangles are similar, suppose we don't know any rule, we have given that just randomly that triangle PQR is similar triangle to, suppose, ABC. We are given this. So one thing which should come to our mind immediately, that PQ by AB equals QR by BC equals PR by AC, and angle P equals angle A, angle Q equals angle B, angle R equals angle C. So in case of congruence, if we are given that these two are congruent, again angles are same, angle P equals angle A, angle Q is equal to angle B, angle, that is, angles, relation between angles are equal. But what are the relations, what happens to the corresponding side? These are equal, not proportional. This is a big difference between similarity and the congruence. If two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional, corresponding angles are equal. If they are congruent, corresponding angles are equal as well as corresponding sides are equal. So one only difference is that in case of similarity, sides are proportional. So if we have triangles ABC and PQR, these are similar. So by this criteria and this criteria is known as SSS similarity. I hope you will get it. If you still find any difficulty in it, please let me know that. So I guess we will keep this session till then and till now, and we will do some more rules regarding it and do some textual questions in the next video lecture. I hope you will get it. You will understand the basic difference between similarity rules and congruence rules, and you will enjoy this video very well. If you still have any confusion or have any suggestion, please let me know that. Watch this video, please get used to watch these videos and note down the necessary information. So I hope you will understood this lecture very well. Thank you class.